Greetings, people. It is your Minister for Agriculture. Now, one of the products I have spoken several times about is this product right here, Golden Pest Spray Oil. And it is OMRI listed, so it is certified for organic gardening, for organic crops, right? I'm hoping you can see that. Now, this product, it is a botanical insecticide, but it is made from soybean. So this is soybean oil that was prepared to handle quite a few of the different insects that are going to be creating problems around the garden. This can take care of mites, aphids, beetle, white flies, leaf miners, trips, leaf hoppers, mealybug, leaf hoppers, leaf rollers, scales, quite a few of these pesky little buggers you find flying around, really creating problems for your plants. Golden Pest Spray Oil will take care of it for you. Now, because it is oil based, this is not something you want to use in the morning or when the sun is hot outside, because it can result in you burning or frying your leaves. So this is something you definitely want to use in the late afternoon, the late evening, and it makes sense, right? If you go spraying when outside is bright, some of these insects, they are going to fly off and they can see where they're going. But what I have found is if I spray just a little after sunset, when it start getting dark, when I go back in the morning, they are dead all over the place because they can't see where they need to go. So Golden Pest Spray Oil, if you are about organic gardening, organic farming, and about being environmentally responsible, this is a product you should have in your plant pharmacy or in your arsenal. The reality is, when you just get started with your gardening, you may not have a major pest problem or insect problem. But what I have found following the passage of Hurricane Beryl, man, all kind of beasts and so I never saw before started showing up. And I think it's helpful if you know exactly what you can use. Now, the rate is 3 to 5 tablespoon per gallon, 3 to 5 tablespoon per gallon, and you can see I have it's about that in here. So it's not something that I use very very often, because again, I don't have a major pest problem. It's about pest management. But yeah, definitely check it out. Golden Pest Spray Oil. It is OMRI certified, OMRI listed. It is for organic gardening. So let's get growing. Let's plant food. Yeah. I have to admit, my peppers are looking lovely. Yeah.